Hello friends, standard 7. Now we are doing page number 16, multiplication by 0. Okay. We know that any whole number when multiplied by 0 gives 0. कोई भी whole number को 0 से multiply करो तो answer will be 0. Minus 3 into 0 that is equal to 0. 0 into minus 1 that is equal to 0. Minus 5 into 0 that is equal to 0. 0 into minus 6 that is equal to 0. This shows that the product of a negative integer and 0 is 0. Right? Negative integer multiply 0, answer is 0. In general, for any integer a cross 0 that is equal to 0 cross a that is equal to 0. A multiply 0 that is equal to 0 multiply a that is equal to 0. Multiplicative identity. We know that 1 is the multiplicative identity for whole numbers. Right? मतलब कि 1 से कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करो आंसर वो नंबर ही आएगा, 1 नहीं आएगा. राइट. -3 बन जा -3, -4 बन जा -4, 1 into -5 -5. राइट. 1 into -6 -6, 5 बन जा 5, 8 बन जा 8, 3 बन जा 3, 7 बन जा 7. So this shows that 1 is the multiplicative identity. In general, for any integer a, we have a cross 1 that is equal to 1 cross a that is equal to a. That means a बन जा into 1, a बन जा that is equal to 1 a जा. Right. A into 1 that is equal to 1 into a that is equal to a. Right. Again I am explaining multiplication by 0. कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो आंसर विल बी 0. -3 into 0 that is equal to 0. 0 into -4 is equal to 0. -5 into 0 that is equal to 0. Then 0 into -6 that is equal to 0. We know that any whole number when multiplied by 0 gives 0. कोई भी whole number 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो आंसर 0 है. This shows that the product of a negative integer and 0 is 0. Negative integer को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो आंसर will be 0. In general, for any integer a, कोई भी integer a है तो a को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो आंसर 0 आएगा. राइट. पहले 0 लिखो या a लिखो. राइट. कोई भी नंबर लिखो. a into 0 that is equal to 0 into a that is equal to 0. Okay. Multiplicative identity. We know that 1 is the multiplicative identity for whole number. Right. Whole number के लिए multiplicative identity कौन सी है? 1. 1 को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो वो नंबर ही आएगा आंसर में. So -3 बन जा -3, -4 बन जा -4, 1 into -5 -5, 1 into -6 is equal to -6, 1 5 जा 5, 1 8 जा 8, 1 3 जा 3 and 3 बन जा also 3, 7 बन जा 7. In general, for any integer a, we have a cross 1 is equal to 1 cross a that is equal to a. A बन जा that is equal to 1, a जा that is equal to a. A into 1 that is equal to 1 into a that is equal to a. This shows that 1 is the multiplicative identity. इसके ऊपर से क्या पता चलता है 1 क्या है? Multiplicative identity. और additive identity कौन सी है? Which is additive identity? 0. Right. 0 को किसी में भी ऐड करो वो नंबर ही आएगा, 0 नहीं आएगा. Right. So 0 is called additive identity and 1 is called multiplicative identity. Okay. This you write down. Then we will do associative property and which property? Distributive property. Okay. Write down. Okay friends, now one notice that 0 is the additive identity whereas 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. Right? अभी मैंने थोड़े अगले वीडियो में ही बोला था, थोड़ी देर पहले ही बोला था कि 1 is multiplicative identity, 0 is additive identity for integers. We get negative inverse of an integer when we multiply -1 to a. That is a into -1 that is equal to -1 into a that is equal to -a. Right? So a and -a are additive inverse of each other. Right? -3 का additive inverse क्या है? +3. When we multiply -3 by -1, we get its additive inverse. Then when we multiply -1 to 3, we get its additive inverse. So 3 and -3 are additive inverse of each other. Then -6 and +6 are additive inverse of each other. When we multiply -6 to -1, we get its additive inverse +6. When we multiply -1 to 13, we get its additive inverse -13. So 13 and -13 are additive inverse. Then when we multiply -1 1 to minus 25. We get additive inverse of minus 25 and that is equal to plus 25. When we multiply minus 1 to 18, we get its additive inverse minus 18. So 18 and minus 18 are additive inverse of each other. Okay, now we will do this associative property, right, and distributive property. Okay. Associative property. What is associative property? Associative property for multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Okay. And what is that? In general, we write A cross B cross C, that is equal to A cross B into C, right? पहले ये दोनों का एसोसिएशन, उसके बाद ये दोनों का एसोसिएशन, राइट? ये भी पहले लिख सकते हैं और इसको भी बाद में लिख सकते हैं, राइट? सपोज वी आर टेकिंग टू और इन जनरल फॉर इंटीजर्स A, B and C, right? Suppose we are taking integers minus 2 cross minus 3 into 5, right? And that is equal to minus 2 cross minus 3 cross 5, right? This is LHS, this is RHS, right? Minus 2, whichever is in bracket, that we will solve it first. Okay, minus 2 multiply minus 3 5 are minus 15, and here minus 2 into minus 3 minus plus. Okay, so that is 6 into 5. Here also minus plus. So minus 2 into minus 15 to the 30. So 30 equal to 30 we can write. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS we can write. LHS equal to RHS. Both are equal. So this property is proved. Okay. Again I am explaining. Note 0 is the additive identity, whereas 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. Right? 0 किसी में भी ऐड करो, आंसर will be the same number, and 1 किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, आंसर will be the same number. We get additive inverse of an integer a where we multiply minus 1 to a. बराबर a से minus 1 मल्टीप्लाई करो, you will get its additive inverse minus a into minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 into a, that is equal to minus a. Right? So here are its examples. Minus 1, 3 plus 3 are additive inverse of each other. Minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to plus 3. 3 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 3. So 3 and minus 3 are additive inverse of each other. Same way minus 6 into minus 1, answer is plus 6. Right? Minus plus. So minus 6 and plus 6 are additive inverse of each other, because if we add them, answer will be 0. Then minus 1 into 13, so answer is minus 13. So minus 13 and plus 13 are additive inverse of each other. Then minus 1 into minus 25, answer is plus 25. So minus 25 and plus 25 are additive inverse of each other. Then 18 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 18. So 18 and minus 18 are additive inverse of each other. Then associative property for multiplication of integers. In general, A cross B cross C, that is equal to A cross B into C. Right? For integers A, B and C. Suppose we are taking minus 2, minus 3 and 5 as A, B and C respectively. So minus 2 into minus 3 into 5. Right? First we have taken the association of this 2, then association of minus 2 and minus 3, 5 alone. Right? So the first we will simplify one bracket. So minus 2, minus 3 into 5 plus minus is minus. So here minus minus plus, so minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 into 5, 6 5 is 30, here 15 2 is 30, right, minus minus plus, so LHS equal to RHS, right, so associative property holds for multiplication of integers, right. After this we will do which property? Distributive property. Okay, you write down this one. Okay friends, now we are proceeding by one note. One note is there. Like whole numbers, the product of three integers. Like whole numbers, the product of three integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers, and this is called associative property for multiplication of integers. मतलब थ्री इंटीजर्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो कोई भी दो नंबर का ग्रुपिंग करेंगे वो कोई डिपेंड नहीं करता कि किसका करें, राइट. तो कोई भी दो नंबर का ग्रुपिंग करेंगे और थर्ड नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आंसर विल बी सेम. दैट इज कॉल्ड associative property, right. So grouping does not depend for multiplication, right. What is written? Like whole numbers, the product of three integers does not depend. जो प्रोडक्ट करेंगे प्रोडक्ट डिपेंड नहीं करता, इसका ग्रुपिंग करते हैं, डिपेंड अपॉन द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ इंटीजर्स, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, राइट. So grouping does not depend upon, product does not depend upon the grouping of the integers. इसका ग्रुपिंग करते हैं, इसके ऊपर प्रोडक्ट डिपेंड नहीं करता. दिस इज कॉल्ड एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी फॉर multiplication of integers. Now distributive property of multiplication over addition of integers, right. Distributive property of multiplication over addition, right. And after this multiplication over subtraction we will do. Okay, so try this. We are doing page number 18. So that LHS and RHS we will solve. So 10 into plus minus is minus 6 minus 2, and here 10 6 is 16, plus minus is minus, 10 to the 20, 6 minus 2 is 4, and here 60 minus 20 is 14. So 10 4 is 14, and that is equal to 14, right. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. Okay, LHS equal to RHS. Same way here, we will write minus 15 multiply minus 7 minus 8 minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 minus plus and sign of bigger number. That is equal to 15 7 is 105, 15 7 is 105, minus minus plus minus minus plus again minus plus, and 15 1 is 15, right. So here also minus minus plus, 15 8 is 120, and 105 plus 15 is what? 120. So again we can write LHS equal to RHS. So we can check here that this property holds, right, holds true, right. This is property of multiplication over addition of integers. Now we will do addition, multiplication over subtraction, right. This you write down, and after this we will do multiplication over subtraction. Write down. Hello friends, now distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A cross b minus c, that is equal to a cross b minus a cross c. Here what we have to see, जो भी ब्रैकेट के बाहर है उसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले से मल्टीप्लाई करो. दोनों है बराबर, ब्रैकेट के बाहर एक है और ब्रैकेट के अंदर b और c दो है, राइट. तो जो बाहर है उनको अंदर वाले दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. बाहर a को b से भी करो मल्टीप्लाई, a को c से भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, राइट. अगर यहाँ प्लस है तो यहाँ प्लस करो, राइट. तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसमें एडिशन हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. यहाँ पर माइनस है मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, अगेन वी विल सॉल्व LHS and RHS. So here formula is what? A cross b minus c is equal to a cross b minus a cross c, right. Again LHS RHS we will solve. 10 multiply minus minus plus, so 6 plus 2, and that is equal to 10 6 are 60, minus minus plus 10 to the So we can write 10 multiply 6 plus 2 8, and then we go to 60 plus 20 80. So 10 8 are 80 is equal to 80. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. Right? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here also minus 15 multiply minus 7 minus minus plus, so plus 1, and that is equal to 15 7s are 105 minus minus plus, then minus minus minus, it is 3 times, so it will be minus 15 1s are 15. Therefore we can write minus 15 multiply minus 7 plus 1, so minus 6, and minus 105 minus 15 is 90, minus minus plus 15 6 are 90 is equal to 90. So we can indeed write LHS equal to RHS. Right? So again I am explaining distributive property of multiplication over subtraction of integers. Right? A cross B minus C that is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. A को B से भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, C से भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, बीच में रखो माइनस. Right? Because multiplication is out of the bracket. राइट, जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर है उसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर वालों को साथ ले जाएंगे तो दोनों के साथ वो साइन आएंगे. राइट, बी के साथ भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा और सी के साथ भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा. बी के साथ भी ये आएगा, बी के साथ सी के साथ भी ये आएगा. राइट, नीचे वाली साइड ऑफ ब्रैकेट, राइट, जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है उसके साथ ब्रैकेट के बाहर वाले मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइन भी जाएगी और ये भी जाएगा. राइट. So type is here solving 10 into 6 minus minus 2, that is equal to 10 into 6 and minus 10 into minus 2. Right, 10 6 के साथ भी गया, minus 2 के साथ भी गया और बीच में क्या है माइनस. Okay, 10 into minus minus plus, so 6 plus 2, 10 6 are 60 and minus minus plus 10 is 20. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Right, जो ब्रैकेट के बारे में उसको पहले कुछ नहीं करना, पहले सिंपलीफाई ब्रैकेट. Okay, first to simplify bracket, then you have to go outside. So 10 into 8 80, 60 plus 20 is 80, so 80 equal to 80, so LHS equal to RHS. Same way here, 15 into minus 7 minus minus 1, that is equal to 15 into minus 7 minus 15 into minus 1. 15 को minus 7 के साथ भी लेंगे, minus 1 के साथ भी लेंगे और बीच में रखना क्या माइनस. ओके, so 15 into minus minus plus minus 7 plus 1. Right, and here minus minus plus, taking 7 1 here 3 times minus, so it will be minus. Right, odd times. Right, whenever there is odd time multiplication of integers there will be minus. Right, so 15 1 15, so minus 15 into minus 7 plus 1. Right, एक minus एक plus है तो करना minus है, but we have to put sign of bigger number is minus. So 15 minus 15 into minus 6, my 105 minus 15 is 90. So minus minus plus